Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the device. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your finger on an empty space on the screen and you'll get this pop-up, and from here tap on the wallpapers and you'll have a couple different choices. So you have either photos, which will just bring up your photo library, live wallpapers, and just simple wallpapers. Now you can choose whichever one you want. If you have downloaded an image that you wish to use as a wallpaper, you would probably go to Photos, but for preloaded wallpapers you'll choose either the live one or the normal ones. Live ones are just the moving ones, so I'm gonna go with the normal one and just choose just once for now. And there we go. From here you have access to all the wallpapers, and basically right now you have the categories. So as you can see, there is multiple categories to choose from. You can tap on it, and in those categories you will have also additional plethora of wallpapers. So there is a really wide array of wallpapers to choose from in here. And once you selected one that you want, so let me just choose something that I will like. Let's select something like this, for instance. From here you can basically arrange place it to the place that you want it in. And once you have selected it, you can tap on set wallpaper and it will give you a couple options. So you have set home screen, lock screen, or both. So choose where you want the wallpaper to be visible. I'm gonna select, for instance, both, and there we go. And now you can see that the wallpaper has been set to both. So if I lock the device and tap the power button, it's on the lock screen as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.